box. Let's find out what's in it. Oh look, another box. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, if you haven't guessed, we are going to be making fresh egg pasta with a pasta machine that came in the post today. Can't wait, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So everything that you will need for this recipe is here. Don't worry if you've missed those ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check out there so you get the ingredients list. So guys, do hit the bell button, do hit the subscribe button while you're watching along so you do get the notifications of when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, let's crack on, make some egg pasta. Woohoo! It's a terrible joke, yeah I know. So let's get rid of this, let's get some scales and a glass bowl, set your scales to 0. You want to sift out 250 grams of flour. You can always take some out if you put too much in. Let's get some eggs. You want to crack these open and split the yolks from the whites, just like this. So to do this, open it up, pass the yolk from shell to shell and let all the white drain off. Let's throw the whisk around over the shoulder, ready, straight in and whisk the eggs. So tip your flour onto your work surface, make a well in the middle with your fingers and add your eggs into the middle of it. Lovely, just like this. Here comes the messy bit, using your fingers, flipping the edges of the flour and slowly work that in. Add in 15 ml of oil, stir that in. Once that's nice and worked in, add some water and pull it all together till you get a nice, thick, firm dough that springs back. Keep rolling it up till it gets something like this. Wrap it up in cling film and you want to leave this to rest for about 45 minutes to an hour. You can always clean the side down once you're waiting for it to rest. So get your pasta machine, attach your handle, add the locking nut, secure it to your side, voila. Add some flour, rub that into your work surface, get your rested dough, cut this in half and half again so you're working with your quarters. Roll it out with a rolling pin over the flour and what you want is a nice oblongy type shape. Set your pasta machine to the highest setting, sprinkle some flour and roll it through the machine. Just like this, lovely. So reduce the setting of the roller, roll the pasta through again. Look at that, amazing. And put it all out. You want to keep doing this until you get to the lowest setting and you want to roll your pasta through. At this point in time it should be about 1.5 millimeters thick and it should stretch right out. Make sure you run it through twice so it doesn't spring back when you cut it. So move the handle across to the tagliatelle part and roll it through. I'm not pulling it through, I'm just guiding it through, and what you want to do is you want to manually pull all the strands apart. Once they're all pulled apart, dust with flour and toss into a great big pile, just like this. So to cook, you want a pan of boiling water and make sure you stir it straight away or it will all stick together. Cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes until the flour taste is out. And what I've done here is I've made a simple Alfredo cheese sauce to stir it in. Just like this, I'm going to add it to a bowl. This is going to be my dinner. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to add a simple basil leaf garnish to the top. And there you have some wonderful, freshly made egg tagliatelle pasta. So yeah guys, that's how you make fresh egg pasta. Really simple to make, does take a little bit of time but the results are so worth it. Here you can see I've made a simple Alfredo sauce to go with my tagliatelle, which I'm going to tuck into now. So guys, do remember to hit the bell, do remember to hit the subscribe button so you do receive notifications when I release my next video, which will probably be the creme brulee, which is my favourite dessert, so do check that out. But in the meantime guys, look after yourselves and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.